There's one thing a lot of founders find very difficult to believe, and it is that people don't remember features. What they remember is your story, your narrative. That's just the truth. If your product is not memorable, if it is not sticking to people, then it means that either your story is missing or it is not strong enough. In this video, I want to show you how to craft a brand story that finally makes people get what you are building and care enough to share your product with others. But first, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for the love and the support. You know I appreciate you. If this is your first time coming across my video on my channel, my name is Deyi-Daniel. I'm building a community of 100 million people who are crazy about growth. On this channel, I film about personal, career, and business growth. You should be a part of this community, so subscribe. Now let's get into it. This is how to craft a strong and memorable brand story. First, your story starts with your problem. A lot of founders just want to start with, oh, how we started or why I love tech. You want to make it about you, but don't do that. Instead, I want you to start with what your customer is currently struggling with. What is their deepest frustration at this time? And I'm not just talking about surface level pain. I mean their deepest, most frightening, most frustrating pain. Something that they feel every day. That thing that makes them say, oh, this is taking too long, or I hate using this tool, or there has to be a better way to get this done. Your brand story starts when you enter into your customer's world with empathy. Next, you want to position yourself as the guide in the story, not the hero. Not the hero. The story is not about you. It's not about what you like. It's not about what you don't like. The story is about them. So you would be positioned as the guide, not the star of the story. Your customer is the hero in the story. So as the guide, you are positioning as someone who has seen this frustration, who has gone through it and has successfully come out of it. So now you are building a system, a tool that helps them get through it too. You want to let them see that you understand their struggle. Then show them how your product leads them to a better place. This is a formula that you can use. We saw a problem, we lived it. So we built this product to help you finally achieve this result. So in the formula, there's the problem, there's the product, there's who you have built it for, and then there's the result you want to help them achieve. You also want your story to show the transformation. Paint the before and after. Before your product, what did life feel like? What was hard? What was broken? After your product, what is possible now? Make it vivid, make it emotional, make it very personal. For example, use this formula. Before this product, put your product. Launching content took 3 weeks. Now our customers can publish in 3 days with half the stress. Now that you have created your story should not just exist on a paragraph on your website. It should show up in every single thing that you create. Your tweets, your case studies, your founder videos, your onboarding emails. Tell different parts of your stories across all your communication channels and as consistently as possible. Don't feel like you are repeating yourself too much. What you are doing is reinforcing belief. Again, I want you to know that the founders who win, they don't just sell products, but they project a narrative, they transfer a narrative, they sell a belief that a better way is possible, a belief that they can be a part of that journey, and a belief that you are the best person to guide them through it. So craft your story, make people feel something, and then watch what would happen to your growth. I hope you have learned 1 or 2 things from this video. If you have, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Be good.